hello, it's your girl Anistok. Yes, I don't come for drop this wonderful video. What's the happen with our public figures and our celebrities? Yes, today for our table we will talk about Ntiveshela, the CEO of the Grandas. Then we will talk about Jeme. We will talk about Kobolistic Kobos International. But I know how it's the plane or Kobo no we hide anything. Then we will bring some other Sarah inside the table. Yes. Okay, we'll go first smash fire now about Kobolistic Kobos. Kobolistic Kobos we now a celebrity 237. Yes, I think call it celebrity because would admire you, would look up to you. You get woman there for your hand. I'm missing no 237 gear and then I will Kobos in hand. If you turn them, so you turn them, so you make them, so you make them, so they will see follow. But wait till they happen, Kobos. Stand my top. Kobos, wait till they happen with you. You be celebrity when you talk about you. You dey come for Dubai. You supposed to enter. You enter for Dubai, so me please shake. I want to ask you this simple question. You be what celebrity or you be beehive or you be one of the big five them or you then for 237 community. You then na someone put you for up on a hand. Just can't answer me question because I get plenty doubt. You be celebrity who they look up to you, you go enter, you come, you do the chewing gum, you the jam chewing gum to tell what ear the VV court. We love you, we like you, they make you may go for up there instead you can't joke and disgrace we. You know watch am. You know you joke and I dey see all you 48 them. All you 48 them for outside the chuang. Wait till the chuang. You be a pastor's wife, you be celebrity, you be girl, you be woman, you be mother. You can't make some kind of thing there, so you need to find you put your moral for down. And then secondly again, you never ask me the question whether you be beehive or you be which you didn't which camp, because I think so like a motivational speaker, you didn't motivate all my whether the person belong for whose side, but the way they see small back thing the way they do, I know correct. Kobos, you know correct. Okay, you want pretend and say you know you watch the way they happen for social media. Germaine come. Germaine see you now for your state to say you did Dubai. Germaine is a close friend to you, not be today. She's a close friend to you, but it's enough your state to say you can't Dubai. Yeah, based on celebrity things, he offer for book job bringer for you. Must you light camera do video? You know no celebrity have to carry yourself. You get for carry yourself. When if you take picture they post am for Facebook, but not just make me any man just you like any kind person. Why do you accept that? You don't accept that you are a celebrity. You be a public person. You be person who will look up to you, so you're supposed to carry yourself. And also yes, you ever talk about simplicity, yes, but still you still need to carry yourself. You understand? See like Mama G the way you take picture, you Mama G no go allow me you go live with you, then to you throw away talk there for back, you no go accept them because she's a celebrity. You some person cook food corn and jamademaka you like camera for appreciate the person. The person can me cook porridge cocoa, you like camera for appreciate the person. I just shut down for my bed that yesterday while they watch your live there. You do like 10 live there one time. I thought say this thing wake up was do and so you know correct because some person go throw some talk for you in a live video. You know if you take them back because many people that they watching now. I want to see hands I usually can talk say if I dey with Kobos only so I go get my 20. I think get my 20 euro. Maybe na the cheap grandas them. Then he rush now for off the camera. Why you get to sell yourself for public before you want can even defend yourself? You want pretend say you don't know to it happen Kobos. You want pretend say you don't know to it happen. Like a public figure, you're not supposed to even be among this thing there. You don't already be a name who look up to you. You don't go for smuggling, make like this. Even if you belong to the beehive, you're supposed to be an example. You don't live on all this company the way they keep them. Beehive they call you for phone. Beehive they meet you take picture. Okay, see the confusion now with the setup. These girls they get problem with Germaine. Now Germaine cook chop and you. The same this girl that they can't do live with you. Then Germaine they can't cry for your live video. You the off and the on and the off and the on and you the make yourself so easy to access, so easy to condemn. So you don't know why you live and meet this girl that they use you for the work their money for social media. You don't be there until when any man feature turn and just caution anyhow. No. Protect your image. You see some of these celebrities they do and I said at the show. They protect their image before you want get information about them. You get for crack nuts them. And maybe person don't say want get information about you, maybe not authentic. Person no video can talk for you anyhow. talk for you. People see celebrity the day for Nigeria wey before person wan block them. You know say I get facts, I get proof for two I dey talk am. You dey try to understand why I talk no. You dey put this Germaine into mess. See Dope Sierra joke comot too. Can begin the cause Germaine, cause she chop wey dey take am for hustle. All will travel can for here na for can hustle. Then you can't rubbish some money on hustle. Germaine the cook, he chop the seller. You can't rubbish and talk away. Germaine the do this, the wash this for chop. I know why even the call her because it's so disgustful. If that una oil the one that they can advertise and online some online some person can sabotage una brand. Na Germaine the brand that. No sabotage the brand. Now what do you gain? You can't sabotage Germaine brand. There are buyer there's always the seller. If person can't give back reputation about their buyer, how you go feel? No, believe me, people that day for aside way if they want talk sabotage you, this is not true like the same way you did do them. If person got to say order na oil, the one that the seller, so na rub, na mix na cocoa, so mix this thing, seller. They don't sabotage on a brand way, no correct so. You can't sabotage Germaine. Germaine they cry outside because when I move chop with table, how do you feel? Do you sleep at night? How do you feel? Then Kobos, I will begin see you in the midst of this nonsense. All thing for you now for put up for live video. You don't know how to carry your skin. You don't buy a boo. You can't show your boo. They get a day for your back. They talk, you do live video. How do you think people look at you? This girl, I know that you are friends and before they will even get this scam them. But you, they look up to you instead. They like me, I feel like say they promote this thing with this girl that they do them. Then if they want to analyze you, you can't move your camera, you start crying. Celebrity, they cry. When I just decide to make una life or cry. When you make and the cautionary, you cry. You give for carry your skin, make them. You be pastor's wife, you get for sweet like you the church go, the church go, you talk how they can't give you this thing, how they can't give you arrow, they can't give you this. It's good to appreciate, but girl, you are a celebrity. Ma look my small thing the way I fit talk. I try for say una no. Any man way he say and say I talk any dirty, may put up for comment section. You understand? And then Sierra still come again, can't cause Germaine say he get a full picking say as a picking day. Now I know say this social media and politics because no, Germaine has a beautiful daughter. Una joke about can begin talk nonsense. Na come the tongue nonsense. They used to look una like so una be person people they wanna even get small brain, but una they just do all these things. So wait even Germaine get right for criticize for analyze any person, but no can attack a personal life, a family and a business. Who do you think you guys are? It's not correct. Granted, if you come for this side to man tell you your own small, you carry pikin, you would hear you to the talk. You carry pikin, you there for street, you dey drink mimbo like the woman there for boku the bar, you dey drink mimbo speed, you dey talk speed the fall on top pikin, they drink mimbo. We never talk say nothing more than they drink mimbo, but don't make a move siam because we're iron there for you. We're iron for you. The last time you take a Dope Sierra in message away, it be the back you send her for in my class, me on in my class, send her for YouTube. And now Dope Sierra take your own. Get for Lady B, me Lady B share them. Yay! Aye, camera YouTube. I fear fear the cash me. Fear the cash me. When I know go borrow sense, even small ones so borrow them. Can't even you just can't disgrace all man. Don't disgrace yourself. Nothing more than what you get for she don't chop vegetable, chop fruit, chop pap, chop this, drink matango. And I get matango for Italy. Drink thing the way they like matango, way they move body. You can't show we say more drink for bottle for street. Master, when I give some respect, when I show some example. You get for the fresh, you look good. When I show some example, couples. I still overemphasize about you. Get some small privacy. You understand? They never tell me you be too, you know, be bet. You be celebrity. You must try. You must try. Gone are those days where they talk say simplicity. You be simple, but you get for package. You get for buckle up, because you don't only be a public figure. You are a pastor's wife. I say, big girl chewing gum to my ear. They want to cut a video. I'm choking. Then tomorrow you go start crying, so we don't analyze. Don't cry, so they analyze you. They talk about you. They insult you. Where they can't get a life for some people, they insult you. Buckle up. All these small childish things. Granted, people they look up to you. You two they send voice note. They send me in my class that they take and they share them. Me, I see any man where he release any man in voice note where they find the converse like a devil. I dey see any man wey release chat dem wey pay yeah person dem be get am time dem dey peaceful and voice note dem e can release am time wey dey get a small scratch. I dey see that people like Igbo people dem, and I dey see any man wey e tarnish some person in image, in business, see wey dey give source of living as a devil. I dey see those people dey like killers. You depression. You get for big counted among the people wey they don't give joy for some people, then among the people they don't give pain for some people then. Jamais why you cry? You become social media. You be not say all this fuck up they go there for social media. So you don't get for waka the cry, no cry. You understand? Kobos, you show the live video that the offer. Hands are you can't coach grandas them. Jamaica can't cry say they don't coach you off the camera. Hands are you coach grandad that you off the camera. Still you still light the camera. You still put the camera. Some celebrities, even when they capture people, they try to take video of them, put them online. You they put your own live video. And a live you make them. You know if you edit, you know if you do anything. You do that live. You do a live, I see some aspect of negativity, like you do want contribute for this negative thing where they go online, but you want pass through consult. You do want use consult for come for this thing where they happen online. If you know say you want talk, just talk. All we will know you already been our celebrity, will just support you because we don't want to say as you don't go up to me before again. She don't package herself, Kobos. You know you're not supposed to be very flippant before you pass her. So you didn't talk you anything. He took you anything. The chop no go. I will chop after the celebrity. Who tell you say celebrity? They can any man video do live video because live video na some technical thing. As person drop comment for back so they forget to you be the talker. They catch that comment because they know say before you want associate you and the people there. So you be part of them. So you get to scrutinize your company. Where is your manager? Your manager get to be close to you. They tell you say no do this, no do this, no do this. You just talk you anything. You just feel like say you want to talk, you talk them. You don't care about what way they hold and they take her. You just talk. That's so it's supposed to be celebrity. That's so it's supposed to be grand event. They laugh, they talk, and then Kobos, you come for Dubai, you can't advertise say you stay for Paramount Hotel. Jamaica has to say you stay for Paramount Hotel. They only talk online. If you want to analyze celebrity, then a Paramount Hotel you get for go stay. If they sponsor you, a Paramount Hotel you supposed to go stay. They say that they want for business, baby, and me and also they want there, and then they cost you. You don't get for advertise how they say, and then they talk say the hotel will stay over go cheap or waiting. You be celebrity, you get for package. Even if for Dubai you will get limousine the way they rent them. Just package yourself. Your entourage to airport. You understand? You are your manager. When I should not for corner some small limousine. Now packaging. You I never do something you fake life. But now so a day you be celebrity. Even your outfit, the way you show, I think say some adjustment they begin for day with your manager. You understand? Some small touch up they begin for day with your manager. Then a celebrity, any man just get right for enter say a hotel room anyhow. Now which hotel? Panama hotel. Because me I don't work for hotel. They let it allow a certain number of people they enter inside room, whether it's celebrity or not. So I try to imagine the security level of that hotel where any man be get right for just can't do any bullshit. When I get for meet up at the lobby, say they cook chop they can't give you put on for video. J'aime the cry for your video. Hands I already talk for your video, mommy. When I share this video, Kobos get for watch this video, Grand TV, you get for watch this video, and big boutiques, you get for blog Grand TV, for the Grand TV, do away the drink from bottom on top begin. So, I the talk Martin, I the go me, you understand? This confusion, one of the confusion social media, the confused people that are alive then. Go with them, change point that one the fast finish me pass the chuchu up that woman for buku de bar for Douala. The chuchu gone chuan. Before I want to go for one stare, I may stop people spoil people their branding. Because if one start now talk about that one top J the one I mix and say brand this thing oil dem ambassador or say man no go rest now ambassador. Even pikin wey just come up primary 2 na ambassador. Even pikin wey just start to talk any nonsense na ambassador. If people they can't call on that thing now, the people they now they own that thing, they'll say I go sue you because now only they know road for court. Germain no fit sue person because that actually they spoil and so na Germain industry that not be brand that. Now Germain said no. That brand na first class brand because all that actually they mix the spices they cook am. That oil una no know how they factory. Even the container where the oil they enter una no know how they come out. But Germain wey use the hand do it thing, use the time. Una can't talk nonsense about the girl. Una the craze una head on. I swear to God. Una surely wear for the social media. Una surely wear for the social media. It's not right. It's not correct. It depends. It depends. Whether I be hippo, I don't care. Whether I be who, I don't care. But the fact that say una call she brand, why you get for insult some person in brand? Why you insult person in brand? He don't try to make am for this life. Germain dey work on that company wey just say that company pay Germain money. Germain is strictly na on streets. He dey do na a street business. He chop, he this, he that, he that. Na Germain is source of income that you can't cut her off. Who go pay her bills? If Germain go depression now, something happen, what will you gain? Ask yourself, Sarah. Ask yourself, granted, ask yourself. This insult, you people are insulting people online. Ask yourself, Kobo, I say you can't do meeting for talk peace, but I seen a rubbish, you do not totally nonsense for Facebook. You are doing off. Now that girl Antoinette and his talk. Please like, share the video. When share the video, and like and subscribe. Oh, stay away from saga. Saga not be that way go help people anyway. Stay away from saga. Sit away go post can do buy small time go to say no dey for saga. I'm gonna leave place. Kiss to all my subscribers, my viewers. I love you guys. Back to back.